Looking for a recipe for juicy, flavorful chicken? Today, I'll show you how to prepare it in an oven bag. Quick, easy, and incredibly delicious. Start by washing the chicken thoroughly and trimming any excess fat or unwanted parts. Then, wash it again and pat it dry with a paper towel, making sure to dry all sides. Next, place the prepared chicken in an oven bag. Add your preferred seasonings. I'm using oil, salt, pepper, parsley, and paprika powder, but feel free to adjust to your taste. Mix everything well inside the bag to ensure the chicken is evenly coated with the spices. Seal the bag tightly and place it in a baking dish. Bake in a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius with both the upper and lower heating elements on. The cooking time depends on the size of the chicken, usually between 1.5 to 2 hours. Once it's done, you'll have perfectly roasted, juicy chicken with a golden crust. Serve it with a side of your choice and enjoy.